Because you have mentioned that disordered eating might not necessarily be about trauma or exclusively about trauma, but there is that element of sensitivity.
Yeah, it begins with an understanding of what trauma is. Trauma isn't what happened to you, it's how you experienced what happened to you. If you happen to be an emotionally sensitive, highly intuitive individual, something that might be no big deal to somebody else penetrates your very bones. Sometimes then there is trauma that needs to get worked through, but other times there isn't any significant trauma. But what's required is learning how to be what I call a thin skinned person living in a thick skinned world. If you're super sensitive, you're thin skinned, you need a certain skill set in order to maneuver through this world where people are saying, oh, you're overreacting, you're too sensitive, oh, just get over it.